Hey vinyl fans, if you didn't catch our last full-length episode, it was all about cleaning, restoring, and repairing vinyl record jackets. Well, we're going to put that to the test today with what is clearly the crappiest jacket in our collection.
Yeah, that takes the cake.
It is pretty bad. 1963's Hot Rod Alley, and this has cellophane tape on it that I believe is older than I am. So
good guy.
This is in rough shape. Before we get to it, though, I want to say thank you to our awesome subscribers, one of whom recommended that we try antibacterial wipes to clean the surface of the jacket.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll give that a try. Generally, we go with the simple green and a microfiber cloth, but we'll try that as well.
Thanks for the comments.
Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the likes. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so.
Please do. Please do.
Let's get to it. Let's clean this jacket. How's my hair? Is it gooby gone? No, it's goo gone. A little better. Good silk glue. I don't even like this album. That ain't a lesson in don't put cellophane tape on your record jackets. I don't know what is. It's like, wait, what now?
Are we there yet?
Better?
Sure. What's a college try?
Okay, I never want to do that again.